Good morning. Welcome to Mornings with Missy, and this is a series of simple bite-sized thoughts that can help bring yoga and positive mental attitude into your day. Again, hi, I'm Missy Mackey. This is my YouTube channel, Yoga Mackey. I am a yoga instructor as well as I own my business, Yoga Mackey. I teach remote yoga as well as live yoga, and you can find my website at yogamackey.com. I'm happy you're here. So for today, our yoga wisdom, which I'm so excited, I'm going to use my glasses. This is by Liz Lark, and this is a wonderful book. You can find it on Amazon, and I will try to link it. But it is Pearls of Wisdom. And today our thought is going to be that yoga is an ancient practice and a complete way of life. Now, I want to just very briefly offer some thoughts about that. Yoga being a complete way of life, that can feel like a lot. So when you start going through your yoga teacher training, you hear this a lot. Yoga is a mentality, a way of life, but it isn't your whole life. We have a lot going on in our lives, right? I can only speak for myself. I have 2 children, I have a partner, a home, laundry, all of these things that I have to do on a daily basis. I also have a full-time job. But this to me, and I do believe that any type of wisdoms that you read, you pull them in based on what your view is. And for me, it is the reminder that the physical part of yoga, taking a yoga class, is a very small part of the overall yoga mentality. And when I say that, what I mean is that beautiful feeling that you get at the end of a class after a good class and a restful shavasana, where you were given the opportunity to think nothing about yourself and your body movement for an hour or 30 minutes, even, is such a gift. And if you are able to slowly incorporate that into the way you think, just thinking about the one thought at a time and bringing your thoughts back in, being able to offer yourself a little more focus and be able to make great decisions, that's to me what bringing yoga into your life is about. It is something I believe every person, either a yoga teacher or somebody who practices yoga or someone who doesn't even do yoga but likes the ideology around yoga. It's what they strive for. So I strive for that, and I find it challenging, but having that as a basis in my thoughts, it helps me each day just do a little bit better. So that was the Pearl of Wisdom. So just a reminder that yoga it's a complete way of thinking, and it really is a wonderful place to come back to, particularly if you are in a time of struggle or tenseness, closing your eyes, coming back to one thought, maybe a great moment, or even maybe what that is telling yourself, I'm going to come back to this crisis when I can better attend to it. So okay, so the next one I want to talk about, to offer to partner with our Pearl of Wisdom, is I want to offer you a positive thought for the day. And I really like this one to partner with the yoga mentality. Permission granted to give in. There will be times when your best option is to simply give in. When peace of mind is more important than needing to be right. When softening inwardly and accepting things as they are is the only way. When surrendering feels like the best option, it probably is. This is a tough one for a lot of people because this isn't for everything. There are some fights that are worth taking to the end because they are the right fight. And there are some things that are not worth your peace. And I think that my thought today is, while you contemplate how can I bring yoga into my life today, off of the mat, not just on the mat with your physical practice of yoga, how can I in the process of trying to find some space for my mind to be in a place of this yogic mentality, how can I also see any of my struggles or things that are causing tensions? Which ones can I let go of the string as if they were a balloon and let them float away? What conversation that's tense, does it not matter if I don't win? What moment when you have something, a zinger or a frustration that you'd really like to air, does it not matter? Always consider your peace in these situations. This is an amazing growth area for me. And when I say amazing, I mean I have come a long way, but I also have a long way to go. So understanding when sometimes it makes more sense to absorb and then release, that you will find so much peace in that. There's also an internal growth that comes with understanding that maybe you're taking the high road, or maybe you're understanding that the whole not my circus, not my monkeys is a great mentality in many situations. So if this doesn't apply to you, or it really isn't going to change the outcome of something that you feel incredibly at the core, like you need to stick your heels in the ground, then maybe the best thing to do is to let it go and free up that space in your mind for something more positive. Anyways, this was Mornings with Missy. I hope that this will help you in any small way, and I look forward to chatting with you tomorrow. Have a great day.